Hello, my name is Juan Rebolledo. I will talking about the important events in my life. Okay, I will talking about with my favorite vacation, childhood memory, my favorite moment at school. Okay, my favorite vacation. Where did you go? I did go to Medellin, Bogota, and Monteria. Who did you go with? I did go I did go with my family. This event was an important event in my life because I was with my family. I never have been uh, with my family a long time. And I was with my family in Cali in this photo. When was that vacation? That was is in 2016. In this photo, uh, she is my sister, Sarai. I love her. I was 20. I was 16 years old in this moment. My favorite moment at school. When did that event happen? My favorite moment in school was at Carnaval 2014 with all my classmates in 7th grade. It was an unforgettable day. I live in Soledad, in the coast Atlantic, in Barranquilla. Mm, Who were you with? I was with all my partners. This photo was in 8th grade. Ah, he is my best friend from childhood, from 5th grade in primary. Where were you? I was at IKEA school. Conclusion. I thought some event in my life. It was simple to event my vacation and my secondary. Thank you.